Hello guys, today I'm going to start a new playlist that is Java 8 features. If you want to learn a Java 8 features in detail, then you should follow this playlist. Then you have a clear idea about the Java 8 features. So let's start our discussion. What is a Java 8 features and in which year Java 8 came? So everything about the Java 8 features. Okay, I want to open my paintbrush. Just see here. I want to write some points, theory points about the Java 8. Okay, I will give title Java 8 features. I want to just increase some font. Okay, 20 Java 8 features. Do you know, guys, when Java 8 came into the market? When Java 8 came into the market in 2014. In 2014, I want to write some points about the Java 8 features. Java 8 came in market in 2014. In 2014 on 18 March 18. Okay. What is the need of a Java 8 features? Have you ever heard about? Have you ever heard about in Python? If you write a 10 lines, if you write a 10 lines in Java, for that 10 lines we need 100 lines or 50 lines of a code. Yes or no? Like a Python, Ruby, or any R language like then if we write a 50 lines in Java, then in Python for that line only we need a 5 to 10 lines. Yes or no? So Java people understand this. Java people understand this. We are losing our market. We are losing our market. Because of that, Java launched Java 8 features, and first feature that is a Lambda expression. First feature that is a Lambda expression. So what is the meaning of Lambda expression? Lambda expression is mainly came in market to achieve concise code and functional programming, to achieve functional programming, because Java is a object oriented programming. Yes or no? Then Java people understand that we are losing our market. So Java people think or thought like if we don't make any changes in a Java, any biggest changes, then we will lose our market. Okay. So Java 8 came in a market in 2014, March 18. So first feature of a Java 8 is a Lambda expression. Lambda expression. Okay. Next features. So I want to tell something about a Lambda expression. Do you know? Have you ever seen? Have you ever seen this symbol? I want to tell this symbol. This symbol in mathematics. This symbol in mathematics. Do you know Lambda expression? Lambda expression is came in the market. Not market. I have to tell about something Lambda expression. Lambda expression came in mathematics in 1930s. In 1930s, it is a big change in the mathematics. It is a big change in mathematics. Who developed this? Who launch? I want to tell this. Lambda expression. I just want to say like lambda expression launched by Alonzo Alonzo Church in 1930s. Okay, it is a big change in mathematics. And if you are thinking like Java is the first language that is using a lambda expression, then it is your mistake. Definitely it is your mistake, because unfortunately Java is the last language that is using a lambda expression. Okay, so then which is the first language that uses a lambda expression, that use lambda expression, that I want to say. So Lisp Lisp is a one programming language. Lisp is a programming language first programming language that uses that used lambda expression. Lambda expression. Okay, who developed this language? Who developed this language? It is a developed by it is a developed by who developed this Lisp language, that I want to share. I want to show you. This Lisp programming language is developed by John MC Carthy. MC Carthy in 1958. In 1958. Okay. Lisp is the first programming language that uses lambda expression. It is developed by John MC Carthy in 1958. Okay. This is all about the introductory part about lambda expression. Okay. Next, I want to show you some examples in a Java how to write a lambda expression that we will learn in today's class. Okay, so let's I need to open my VS Code window. I will show you first without a lambda expression how we write a code, and with lambda expression how we write a code. Okay, this is my main method. See here. Okay. Suppose I create here one function that is a public static void, or like find a square. Let a square. I will give square it. Just pass here one number. Not void. I want to return one int. That's why I will place here int. Return n into n. Return n into n. Okay. When I call this function, like system dot out dot println, square root, or the square of 5 is, just place here square function, pass here 5. Okay. I need to write here 9 number of a code. Total lines, how much or how many lines I written here? 9 lines. Okay. If I want to find a square root of a 4, square of a 4, then system.out.println, just write here square of 4 is, yes or no? Simply square, right here 4. Okay. When I run this program, we will get 25 and 16. See here. Yes. The square of a 5 is 25 and the square of a 4 is 16. Yes or no? So this much line of a code we require to find only the square. Then how it is possible with a lambda expression with a concise code? How it is possible with lambda expression? That I want to show you. Just simply write here. There is some predefined functional interfaces are available. I will give only example. If you don't know, just in upcoming classes we will cover all predefined functional interfaces. What is a functional interface? Everything about a functional interface. Just remember. Suppose I create here one functional interface, that is a function which is available in the java.util package, util.function subpackage. Okay, function. I want to give the input in the form of an integer, so I will pass here integer, and I want output is in the form of a integer also. Okay. I will pass here f. I will give any variable name. Simply write here this arrow symbol. This arrow symbol I into I. Then done. Okay. Are you understanding? Simply import this package. Okay. Java.util.function is the functional interface. Okay. See here, guys. This much previously we write here public, static, void, square, square, square it, then pass here int n. Okay. Return n into n. See, four lines of code we written in only one line. We write in only one line. So this is the beauty of lambda expression. This is the beauty of lambda expression. See here, how much line we concise. Okay. Simply how to call this? Just write here system.out.println, system.out.println, square of 5 is or 5 is just there is a one predefined function which is available in the functional interface function, that is a apply. Just apply this and pass here 5. Okay, like that. If I want to find the square of 4, square of like a 6, at this point I will pass 6. Just f dot apply, simply 6. Okay. See, now look at the output. Now look at the run Java. Run Java. Yes, we are getting output. Square of 5 is a 25. Square of a 6 is a 36. Are you understanding? Suppose I want to find a even and odd number. If I want to check a even or odd number, 4 is a even or 5 is a even or not, that I want to check. Then simply write here one predefined functional interface that is available is a predicate. It will always return a value into the boolean form, true or false. So I want to pass input here integer. So that's why I will write here integer p I. Why this arrow symbol I am writing here? Because when I write this arrow symbol, then only compiler will understand this is a lambda expression. This is a lambda expression. Are you understanding? Are you understanding, guys? When I write this arrow symbol only, then only compiler will understand this is my lambda expression. Okay. Suppose I modulus 2 equal to 0. It is a even. Just write system.out.println 5 is even. So how to test? There is a one test function is already available, p.test. Just write here test, pass here 5. Okay, like this we can pass n number of things. I can pass here 4. See output. Check. 5 is even, false. We are getting false output. 5 is not even. 4 is even, no. Sorry, 4 is even, yes. We are getting a true output. Means 4 is even, 5 is even is a false. So remember this point. Why we need the lambda expression. So how to write a lambda expression, that I want to show you. How to write a lambda expression, that I want to show you. Okay. This is my main method. This is my main method. Simply. Okay. Just look at my paint diagram. I will write here. In commonly, how we write a function? Public void m1. This is my function. This is my function body. Yes or no? Oh, what is lambda expression? That I want to show you. Just simply write what is lambda expression. Lambda expression. Lambda expression is called as an anonymous function. It is anonymous function. It is simply anonymous function. Okay. What is the meaning of a anonymous? The anonymous meaning, there is a nameless function. Nameless function. It is called as anonymous in programming term. Okay. Simply, it does not contain any return type. It does not have any return type. Any return type. Okay, return type that we discuss. Okay, next I want to tell it does not contain, it does not contain, does not have any modifiers. Okay, modifiers, we can say modifiers. Okay, just look at, I written here one function, public void m1. So it does not contain any name, means m1 not there. So I want to convert this function into lambda. I want to convert this function into lambda. How to convert this? Just look at this. Just write. I want to convert. Okay. So first, it is the anonymous function. It does not contain any name. If I write here, public void m1, public void m1, simply it is a body. So first rule is it does not have a name. It does not have a name. Okay. It does not contain any return type. Yes, correct. Does not have any modifier. Yes, correct. Then simply write here this symbol. Let's, our lambda expression is ready. Lambda expression is ready. Yes or no? Are you understanding, guys? How simple this is? How simple this is? Lambda expression. Okay. If I write here system dot out dot println, or here suppose I write here Java by Ganesh. Simply the body contain only one line. Yes or no? If body contain only one line in a lambda expression, then curly braces are optional. Simply check, guys, how simple it is. Okay. System.out.println Java by Ganesh. Okay. Are you understanding? Guys? Suppose I written here next function, next lambda expression, that is contains some arguments like int a comma int b. Okay, this is my arrow symbol for understanding it is a lambda expression or not. So how compiler will understand it is a lambda expression? With this arrow symbol. Okay. Simply write here return a plus b. Simply write here a plus b. Okay. See here, guys. If only one statement is there, then bracket is optional. Bracket is optional. If it is a returning something, and it does not contain any arrow, or we can't write a return keyword without a bracket. So simply remove this also. If it is having a like a data type int based on condition, based on context, sorry, not condition, based on context. Compiler will automatically judge the type of these variables. So simply remove the data type also, simply remove the data type also. See, look at this, how much lines of code. Be concise. Are you understanding, guys? Are you understanding? Suppose in place of two arguments, in future, uh, I have only one argument here. I want to print that argument with the system.out.println, system.out.println. Okay, just look at this. Then there is a no need of a this parenthesis also. This parenthesis also. Just look at this, guys. How much simple lambda expression is. So what we discuss in first feature is the lambda expression. I'm going to explain about everything about a lambda expression. So this is the only introductory part about a lambda expression. Okay, so it is the first feature, lambda expression. Next feature, that is next Java feature, that is date and time API. Okay. Third one is default and static methods in interface. Okay. Fourth one is, I want to explain, that is a double colon operator. Double colon operator. Colon operator. Okay. In C++, this double colon meaning is a different. There, the double colon meaning is simply a scope resolution operator. Simply a scope resolution operator. But in here we called as method reference or constructor reference. Constructor reference. Okay. What is the meaning of that? That I will tell you later. Okay. Just remember. Next, there is optional class. It is came to ignore the null pointer exception. That we will discuss later. Optional class in Java. Okay. Sixth one is Notion JavaScript engine. Okay. I think height is less down to okay. Notion JavaScript engine. Again, next is data and time API, default and static methods in interface, double colon, optional class, predefine interface like consumer, predicate, supplier, there are n number of interfaces, etc. You can say. Okay. This all we will discuss in upcoming classes. Just stay tuned with this playlist. So in this class, we discuss how to write a lambda expression. If you want to learn about some lambda expression, just I will give one demo. Just I want to write or I want to give, suppose I will discuss one example, that is like interface. Okay. Interface test, or I will give the name add. I want to print the sum of two numbers. I want to print the sum of two numbers. How to print? Just write here one method. In interface, we did not provide any body. We don't provide any body. So just remember this one. Public int sum two numbers int a comma int b. Okay. Sorry, we don't provide here any body. This is my functional interface test, not public. That's why we will get error here. Just write here one annotation. It is came in Java 1.7. I think that is a functional interface. I want to tell to compiler it is my functional interface. That's why I need to provide here one annotation, that is the iterate functional interface. Okay. So what is the meaning of a functional interface? If interface contain any only one method, if interface contain only one method, that interface is called as a functional interface. That interface is called as a functional interface. There are many predefined functional interfaces are available, like callable, runnable. Runnable contain only one method, that is the run method. Compare method is there. Comparable, comparator, not compare to, like action listener. So these are some predefined interfaces are there. So how to just write here I test a, it is only reference variable, it is not object. Just remember, pass here sum 4 and 5 means a and b. How to write? Just return, not return a plus b. Okay. Why we are getting error here? Okay, I will write here another name, like C comma D. No. A dot sum 4 and 5. 4 and 5. Why I am getting error? Simply write this into system.out.println. Okay. Look at this, guys. Including lambda expression parameter. What is the meaning of this? Cannot redeclare another local variable define. Okay. Oh, sorry. I written here another local variable. So I will give the name only refer ref. Sorry guys, my mistake. Check. Just see, addition is 9. I want to print here one message, addition. Addition equal to 9. Okay. I hope you understood what is the lambda expression, history about a lambda expression. It is came in the 1930s in mathematics. It is a big change in mathematics. Okay. So these things we discuss in this class. So upcoming class we will discuss more about a lambda expression. Don't think lambda expression is over. So in upcoming class we will discuss more about this. Okay. Thank you for watching this video.